Hello everybody. This video I'm going to show you the Alfresco and external Excel references integration, which I will show how the Excels are connected for automatically change the data. And if you have interested in our premium feature, you can contact us at www.skytizens.com and Alfresco add-on. Okay, let's get started at the first page. At first, we have to sign into the system. And after that, go to the storage that you keep the Excel files. For me, I'm keeping them in share file, and this further go inside, and here you will see the main Excel that it is configured the formula bar connected to minor Excel files for automatically updating the main one. Okay, here in the quantity in stock, I have set the Excel function already, and I will show you the function on my PC. As you can see, the function has been set to connect with the minor files on my PC already. Okay, next I will upload the minor Excel files and show you how the main is changed. Drag and drop the file. It is uploaded, and I will open the main files again, which the data is automatically changed at the minor data. And let's zoom in, and you will see the middle of the data, the quantity in stock. It is changed as I have uploaded the minor one, and now I'm changing the minor data in the Excel files to be updated in the new version of the minor one. Okay, I will change all of the number of quantity in stock. And it's done and saved. Next, I will upload the new version by going to More and Update New Version. Select the same file that I have already changed the number and open the main files again. You will see that the data also changes as well as the new version of minor file that I have updated, and it will continue updating the data every time after you have uploaded any new version of the minor file. Okay, that's all for the integration, and if you want to know more details about this add-on, you can contact us at www.skytizens.com and also Alfresco add-on. See you on the next video, and thank you for watching.